Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change Snapchat ringtone. So the first step you need to do is to open Snapchat. So once you open, click on your profile picture on the top left, and here you can see different options. So you simply need to click on new Snapchat plus feature drop. So click here, and here you can see that custom chat color. So scroll down. So here you can see custom ringtone sound. Set custom ringtone for your friends. So click here and click on next. So basically you need to subscribe to the Snapchat Plus. Once you are subscribed to the Snapchat Plus, you have that feature enabled to set the custom ringtone for your friends. Here you can see in the bottom. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.